In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Minecraft thumbnails using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, go to the Pikzels website and sign into your account. Now, you'll need a strong prompt. You can generate one using an AI tool by asking for a Minecraft thumbnail idea that includes text and a clear concept. Once you have your prompt, copy and paste it into Pikzels, then click Generate. After a few seconds, your thumbnail will appear. At the top, you'll see a score that measures things like curiosity and virality. If the score is low, click Analyze, then use the one-click fix option to improve it. You can repeat this until your score goes above 80 for a stronger result. If you want to customize it further, click Edit, use the brush or selection tool, and type what changes you want, like adding effects or making elements more dramatic. Once you're happy with the final design, click Download to save your thumbnail. And that's how you create high-quality Minecraft thumbnails using Pikzels AI. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.